What's up YouTube? Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we'll be going over a big company's example of e-commerce and what we can learn from what they're doing. And the company I will be talking about is Walmart. Now you all know about Walmart, the store, the retailer, they're in your neighborhood, nearby or whatnot. But you may not have thought of them as a huge e-commerce business. However, they are, and they're growing. And I'm here to say that they have the potential to even beat Amazon in online sales eventually in the next long term 8 to 10 years. Now, Walmart when was always doing well, with their stores and whatnot. But when the internet came, they were lagging in really developing their online sales, their online presence. And when Amazon came, they really took first place in that. And Amazon beat every category with online sales. And so Walmart got a lot of backlash for that, for not taking the time and the advantage during that time when Amazon was coming up to really dominate that space. Because if they started from the beginning, would there be an Amazon? I don't know. With their supply chain, with Walmart's retailers and connections, it would have been game over from the start. But they didn't. They're like, oh, this internet thing is not a big deal. But however, over the past few years, I would say in about after the dot-com bubble or after the recession, Walmart really strived to go hard on their online sales, and it's been helping. Now, there's this new article that I was reading about how Walmart is keep on growing, in like a company worldwide. So for the second quarter, for you all don't know, second quarter is based off of the months of April, May, June. And they beat their expected amount. Estimates was 2.2, but they grew 4.5%. And they said that most of it came from them, their online sales. As we can see here in this article, it was very interesting. They said their e-commerce sales grew more than 40%. 40% is a huge amount for any online retailer. And so growing more than 40% is amazing for Walmart. And a lot of their sales are coming from just people realizing that Walmart, they know the brand, they've been to their stores, and now they're shopping online. Even I've been using more of Walmart's online presence. They recently updated the website. They added like a 3D shopping for their home furnishing stores. So that really helps with their online presence and whatnot. And and also I've been using their pickup groceries app that they have, where you kind of pick what you want on your phone, and they have a picker at their store that picks your groceries, and you just come by their store. They have like my Walmart by me, they have that service. It's not in all Walmarts around the country, but mine's having, and I tried it a couple times and it works good. And they actually pick, I bought some produce, fresh produce, and they actually picked pretty good produce. It was amazing, ripe stuff and whatnot. And so those things are really big for Walmart in their online sales. And also Walmart, they have the inventory. They can easily outpace Amazon. It was going to take them a while, probably over the next 5 to 7 years, to even compete against them. But they are going somewhere. And Walmart, most of their sales comes from groceries. I buy my groceries from Walmart, and almost everyone I know buy their groceries from Walmart. You may buy something here and there from somewhere else, but most people, if you're buying packaged goods, you're going to the cheapest, well-known place, and that's Walmart. And so Walmart, they have this big consumer need in groceries that they already dominate, and they can even put it to the next level by putting it online. And you see that Amazon, they started doing that when they bought Whole Foods. They really want to compete with that online grocery chain department. And so Walmart already have their groceries. They're already get a lot of their produce and groceries from the States. And so they don't need to go out there and buy a grocery store chain, because they are a grocery store chain. And so they can easily implement that into their store, which they have been, giving the example of online pickup, where someone picks your groceries and you just come by and pick it up. And so Amazon, I think they're thinking about they're seeing how they're growing in their online sales, how they're redesigning their website, how people are buying their goods. And so how will this help you all? I hope I'm not lagging a little bit. I probably am. So how will this help your Shopify store? My main thing is always never be complacent to where you are. If you see a new technology, you see that, oh, there's Snapchat, there's this new thing. Why don't I try advertising on there? Let me just try doing something, creating an ad for Snapchat or an Instagram story ad before other companies or other competitors start doing it. Just because you're new, it doesn't mean you can be a bigger company at something. That's what Amazon did. Amazon beat Walmart to the online sales category and whatnot of different things. And you can too. And also within your dropshipping business, just realizing that what you have and how you can use it to your advantage. Walmart has their grocery store. They can use that to their advantage. What is your niche or product or audience base that you can use to your advantage to really grow your company in the right way? Now, I hope you all enjoy this video. Be sure to stay tuned, subscribe. I will be posting out more videos on Shopify tutorials, how to set up Facebook ads, and drop shipping tutorials and other things like that. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't lagging so much. Probably was. All right. Peace.